This is Nokia C12, and in today's video I will show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So as you can clearly see, my parental controls are indeed active. So from here, in order to get rid of them without having to interact with the parent in any way, without having to grant any authorization or permission from the parent or supervisors that you have, you will need to open Settings, then enter the Google category, onwards, tap at the Manage Your Google Account button over there. Next, open the Data and Privacy section. Scroll the page all the way down, go for Delete Your Google Account option, then, or rather now, in order to continue, we will need to enter the child's Google account password, so I'll do exactly that, but off the screen, so I will not accidentally reveal the Google account password, of course. Then at the following Delete Your Google Account page, you will need to check those two boxes you have at the bottom of the page and tap at the Delete Account button. At this point, the parental controls should have been already deactivated if the synchronization took place and took place successfully. So let me quickly check that to see if the system has already acknowledged the changes. Yep, there is no Google account over here, and if I will open up the list of parental controls, there will be none. So great success, the first part of the video is complete. We have successfully gotten rid of parental controls. So now all we gotta do is to recover or restore the Google account we have just deleted, so it will not disappear or be vanished entirely. That's also a very simple and short procedure. You gotta simply sign into any Google app or service with it. So I'll go with Play Store. I always choose the Play Store since it is a matter of convenience. So in here, input the email address first. You should get the following message. That's the flag that you did everything right, at least up until now. Then after this message, you will need to input your account password, so do exactly that. Hit the next button, and 9 out of 10 times you will stumble upon the something went wrong message. That's completely fine. Do not be afraid or intimidated in any way. Just re-input your account credentials, and second try will always result in a success and will always let you go through, log into the app, and thus or hence recover your Google account. So I've entered the credentials one more time, and as you can see, the Google allowed me to go through this time. So now finish the login, and as you will see now, the account gets successfully restored. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.